The queen making experience has been a life changer for me. Everything I've learned and believed and things have improved tremendously. Celeste is an amazing mentor, and the program she offers many areas where you can really dive into yourself and what you have to offer others. I was working with a nonprofit called Michelle's Place because I'm a breast cancer survivor. And the first year I met Celeste, I was asked to be in a fashion show at the event. And I decided to go ahead and model there. And from that point, I met Celeste, and the rest is history. I have gained amazing life skills in achieving my own goals and my own dreams and things that I never would have thought possible. I've already applied everything I've learned with Celeste day after day after day. My future is completely open, and I feel alive, and there's just nothing I can't do at this point.